Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. One of my Christian friends asked me a question about my religion, about my God, about my Lord, Allah. He asked me who created Allah. That seems a very tough question. And this is the question most of non-Muslims used to ask when they are called towards Allah. Or the question with a slight difference in alteration, they used to ask what is or what was before Allah. Or they can also ask who was before Allah, like who created Allah. Well, the answer to this question is pretty easy, and it goes like Allah is the creator of every being. Allah created everything. That's our claim, right? So when we claim and when we believe that Allah is the creator, then the creator doesn't need a creator. The creator doesn't need any other creator. If he needs another creator, and he'll not remain a creator anymore, but certainly he will be a creation because he needs a creator. Let's have a brief look into the answer to let it compile all the corners of doubt and clear them. Every religion is agreed upon the supremacy of one supreme entity, and that is the supermost and higher ever. Like Christians call him Father, Hindus call Bhagwan, Muslims call Allah, and a lot other in other religions. Even the atheists, they call it the Mother Nature. Now, as per logical elaboration, the point is that we all must have to stop on one point from where all the creation started. Or if we don't stop on a certain point, it will be a countless journey in a circle with no end, and a circle moving around its points forever and ever with no stop to it. We can understand it is a mathematical form, like there will be two equations. Number one, first created the second created a third, the third created fourth, fourth created fifth, and then a countless journey with no end to it. Like if you want to see the first creator and you say who created him, then he'll need a creator, then that will be the second creator, and then it will be a countless journey with no end to it. And the second equation is that A is the creator of B, and B is the creator of C, and C is the creator of A. So this is a circular form of creators. So there should be a precise point where we must stop and agree upon a final one. Why we don't start with zero? There is a question. Why we don't start with zero and stop on it, rather than to start and stop on one, right? Like why we need to start or stop on one? We should start from one and we must stop on that one. But why we don't start with zero and we should stop on that? It's a very much easy mathematical form that zero is nothing and of no value in math. Like if it is before a number, you can add 1,000 of zeros before one, which will have no value. But the math starts with zero, and zero works after a number, not before. So zero means nothing, and thousands of nothings, zeros are equal to nothing. So that's a pretty easy thing. So the point is from where we should start. We should start from one because it starts from one. But why we end on one? I have just told you why we should end on one, because we will have a circular form or an endless journey toward like no limit of numbers. We will keep searching for the creators and creators and creators, and whenever a creator got another creator, he or she will become a creation, and then we will again search a creator for the second creator, and when we find a creator for the second will automatically become a creation, and the third will become a creator. So that will be an endless journey. So if there is a creator before Allah, then we can't stop on any certain point, but we'll have a long endless journey. And if we want to stop on one point, that's exactly what we call him Allah, and Allah has no Allah before him. Jazakumullahu khairan.